Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. With the holiday season just around the corner, it is time to transform your living room into a festive wonderland. We have got some super easy and budget friendly Christmas decor ideas for your living space. So let's dive right in. Let's create a festive focal point. Grab a cozy holidays themed through blanket and drop it over your sofa. Add some festive throw pillows to instantly give your living room that warm and welcoming vibe. Now let's talk about lighting. String lighting are your best friend during the holidays. Hang theme around your windows or drap theme along your shelves. It is a simple touch that adds a magical glow to your space. Create a DIY centerpieces for your coffee tables using items you already have at a home. Grab a clear vase, fill it with colorful Christmas ornaments and voiles. You have got a stunning centerpieces that both easy and elegant. Bring a bit of nature indoor with some pine cones and branches. Place them in a vases or scatter them on your mantle for a rustic and charming look. It is a simple way to connect with the outdoor while staying cozy inside. Don't forget to design a special spot for stun. Whether it is small table or a cozy corner set up in a mini Christmas village with the little houses, figures and maybe even a mini trees, it's a delightful touch that will make everyone smile. You have it some quick and easy Christmas decor ideas for your living rooms. Remember, it is all about creating a cozy and joyful atmosphere for you and your loved ones. If you try any of these ideas, let's know the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more holiday inspiration videos.